Did you know there are planets out there even better suited for life than Earth, and that one of them might be right here in our own solar system? Forget Mars for a second. We're talking about Callisto, Jupiter's second largest moon. For a long time, everyone thought Callisto was just a dead, boring ball of rock and ice. But then, in the 1990s, the Galileo spacecraft flew by and changed everything. It found evidence of a massive, salty ocean hidden deep beneath its icy shell. Think about that, a vast, dark ocean, potentially containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Scientists are incredibly excited about this. They believe this hidden ocean could one day be used to create rocket fuel, turning Callisto into a kind of interplanetary gas station for future missions. Even more amazing, astronomers have detected a super-thin atmosphere. They predict that if we could somehow shield the surface from Jupiter's intense radiation, humans might actually be able to breathe there without a full helmet. A moon more habitable than Earth, hiding in plain sight. It makes you wonder what else we've overlooked. Of course, our search for life isn't just limited to our solar system. On October 5, 2020, astronomers officially began a quest for super-habitable planets, worlds that do just match Earth but surpass it in every way. They created a checklist for the perfect planet. First, it has to be in the Goldilocks zone of its star, where it's not too hot and not too cold, so liquid water can exist. Next, size matters. A planet slightly larger than Earth has more surface area for life to evolve and stronger gravity to hold onto a thick, stable atmosphere. Temperature is also key. Ideally, it should be just a few degrees warmer than Earth's average. After all, life on our own planet thrives in some pretty extreme temperatures, so a little extra warmth could be a big advantage. Using these criteria, scientists sifted through data on thousands of exoplanets and found 24 potential candidates. Among them, 2 worlds stood out as truly special. Their surface temperatures and atmospheres aren't just good, they're better than Earth's. One of them is a planet called Kepler 4-4b, discovered back in 2017. This world is a true gem. Not only does it likely have oceans, but it's also rich in the fundamental building blocks of life: hydrocarbons and amino acids. The conditions are so perfect that some researchers have even wondered if the planet was shaped by an intelligent alien civilization. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a serious hypothesis. Between 2017 and 2018, an organization called MET, which stands for Messaging Extraterrestrial Intelligence, actually sent messages to this planet. They beamed out musical compositions and even a map showing our solar system's location in the universe. We haven't heard back yet, but who knows what the future holds. Then there's the TRAPPIST-1 system, a truly mind-blowing discovery, just 39 light-years away. Imagine a star with not 1, not 2, but 7 Earth-like planets orbiting it, and 3 of them are right in the habitable zone. What's even more exciting is that these planets are much older than Earth. This means life there could have had a head start of billions of years. Imagine what kind of complex ecosystems or civilizations could have developed in that time. There is a catch, though. Each of these planets is tidally locked, meaning one side permanently faces the star in constant daylight, while the other is trapped in eternal darkness. But this creates a fascinating possibility, a twilight zone or terminator line between the two extremes. This band of perpetual dawn or dusk could have mild, stable temperatures, making it a perfect cradle for life. 2 of these planets, TOI 700d and TOI 700e, are particularly promising. They are similar in size and mass to Earth, but are slightly warmer, which could make them even more hospitable. Let's dive deeper into some of these super-Earths. One planet, known as KOI 5715.01, is a fascinating case. Its surface is just 2.4 degrees Celsius cooler than Earth's, but it's 8 times more massive. That means more gravity and a much larger surface area. While humans might find the gravity challenging, it could be a paradise for different kinds of life. Another candidate boasts a comfortable average temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, basically a perfect day at the beach, all year round. These planets often have active plate tectonics, which is crucial for a stable climate. This activity helps maintain a nitrogen cycle. We always talk about oxygen, but nitrogen is the backbone of proteins and DNA. It's absolutely essential for life as we know it. Then there's Kepler 4-5b, often called Earth's older cousin. It's about 1,800 light-years away and is 60% more massive than Earth. Walking around there would feel like carrying an extra person on your back. But for lighter, airborne life forms floating through its denser atmosphere could be effortless. One of the most mysterious and debated worlds is Gliese 667cc, located just 24 light-years away. It orbits a dim red dwarf star and is also tidally locked. The side facing the star is scorching hot, and the side facing away is frozen solid. But that twilight zone in between, simulations suggest it could maintain a steady 27 degrees Celsius and have liquid water, perfect recipe for life. Scientists have even run simulations of what could live there, picturing creatures like dog-sized spiders hiding under rocks to survive. However, the planet's internal heat could also trigger massive volcanic eruptions, making the surface unstable and dangerous. But what if a perfect world is right next door? The Alpha Centauri system is the closest star system to us. One of its potential planets, Alpha Centauri b, could be incredibly habitable. It's illuminated by 3 suns, likely rich in oxygen, and might be covered in lush, alien vegetation. The catch: the seasons would be extreme, swinging from a blistering 60 degrees Celsius in summer to a frigid -90 in winter. Still, with advanced technology and protective habitats, humans could potentially survive there. Let's bring our search back home, to our own cosmic backyard, and talk about Saturn's largest moon, Titan. In 2005, the Huygens probe landed on its surface and sent back data that made scientists' jaws drop. It detected chemical processes that looked eerily similar to those on early Earth. Titan's thick, hazy atmosphere has water vapor, hydrogen, methane, and a nitrogen cyclol, key ingredients for life. During the Cassini mission, scientists observed strange patterns where hydrogen seemed to be disappearing from the atmosphere near the surface. This is exactly what you might expect if methane-based microorganisms were breathing it in, just like we breathe oxygen. These creatures would be a form of life that thrives in extreme cold and doesn't need oxygen at all. Titan also has cryovolcanoes, which erupt with cold ammonia and methane instead of hot lava. Although its surface is a freezing -179 degrees Celsius, its overall environment is a stunning parallel to what Earth was like before life began. Some scientists believe that billions of years from now, as our sun expands, Titan could warm up and become the next Earth, a new cradle of life in our solar system. From the hidden ocean of Callisto to the alien shores of Titan and the distant, super-habitable worlds like Kepler-4 for 2b and TRAPPIST-1e, the universe is filled with possibilities. Some of these worlds may already host life, patiently waiting to be discovered. Others might just be waiting for the same spark that ignited life on our own planet billions of years ago. So, what do you think? Could humans one day call one of these incredible worlds home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.